All right, what's going on, people? Galaxie Man here, and today is a good day because guess what? I'm off to the exhaust shop to have the 3-inch full exhaust installed on the Galaxie. All right, guys? Woo! It's going to be epic. Going to get the car back tomorrow, and combined with the headers, the new exhaust, the Flowmaster 10s, this car is going to sound sweet. All right, guys? So here we go. Start up to follow. All right, here we go. On our way to the exhaust shop, and I'm going to give you guys a nice little early morning startup with the open headers. The neighbors aren't going to like me, and I'm going to push the limits right now, getting this thing all the way to Deer Park from, from my house. And hopefully I don't get encountered by any popo. All right, here we go, guys. How you like that key? Look, a custom key for a big key for the big Galaxie. Only kidding. Here's the real key. I made that one in shop class probably about, 25 years ago. Jesus, where'd the time go? All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Nastiness. All right. Gotta get it warm up a little bit. There we go. Nasty. To go racing. There we go. Man, that is just silly right now, but it's okay. We out of here. Off to the exhaust shop. It's the last time you'll see the car without pipes coming out the back. All right, we out. Off to the shop. Damn, boy. This is loud as F. My dad would approve of this. Up, stack, up. All right, guys, I'm here at Performance Custom Exhaust. Yeah, what's an engine? 10 grand?
You know what?
You can go crazy.
I just waited 4 months for a set of cylinder heads.
Yeah.
So the problem's going to be getting.
All right, the exhaust is going in today. Ready to go? I'll be back tomorrow to pick her up. All right, guys, Galaxie Man out. All right, guys, just got the exhaust on, and this thing sounds badass. Here we go, 3.5-inch tips, full 3-inch all the way back. Woo! We're about to go take it for a cruise and a little car wash. All right, time to drive. Performance Custom Exhaust. Thank you, bro. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Full 3-inch. Custom headers by FPA. We're about to go hit it. All right, car fanatics and boost addicts, Galaxie man out.